Hey everyone, Spencer Coffman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a hardwired smoke alarm with a hardwired smoke and CO2 or carbon monoxide alarm. So here we have the combo alarm. It is a hardwired with sealed battery backup, CO alarm and smoke alarm. So we're going to take out the old one right here. So you can see, just going to do a little twist and then unplug the wires in the back. There we go. Now the reason you want to unplug this is because if you leave the smoke alarm plugged in and all you do is take apart these wire nuts to pull out this wiring, then you're going to alarm not only this alarm, but also all of them connected to the whole circuit. So you want to unplug this before you disconnect any wires. Okay, so here's what the new one looks like. Very nice, very sleek. What we're going to do is get rid of that plate, get rid of those wires, wire up the new connections, put on the new plate, and then we will install the new alarm.
Thanks for watching this video. If you guys are running into any trouble installing your smoke alarm or CO alarm, please let me know in the comments below and I'll do what I can to help you out. Also, would really appreciate it if you hit that like button, subscribe button, and bell icon to stay tuned to future videos on How To Video Channel. Thanks again and hope you're enjoying this video.
Once you have the old wiring removed, you can see that's a mess. But what we're going to do is wire up the new wiring plug, starting with the neutral, then the hot, then the alarm circuit. Does it matter what order you go in? Not really, but unless you shut off the fuses, you want to be careful what you touch because there is a current running through these wires. Once you twist that on, give it a little tug, make sure it doesn't pull out. You want to make sure the connections are good and strong. Okay, now you're ready for the disc. So, since it looks like there are no circular screw holes, typically there would be a larger hole that you'd be able to get your screw in and then you could slide. So this does not have one like a typical smoke detector or smoke alarm. Therefore, we are going to have to remove these two screws in order to put this on. Once you have that on, the next step would be to connect the wires to the back of this. So you can see here we have three little prongs. There is a little set of three prongs, so we'll plug that in and then line this up as best you can. And there we are.
All right, and there you have the installation of a CO and smoke alarm combo alarm. So if you have any questions or comments, please post them below and I'll do what I can to help you out. Thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe.